everyone, this is Teacher Momo. I'm here to help you with our third drawing. We are doing the green one. So let's go. So the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to draw a small one right here. So let's do that diamond shape head. No, that's too small. We're going to do a diamond shape head. We're going to have her being very tall. We're going to give her U-shaped eyes, some eyelashes at the bottom, eyebrow, a line for the nose, and we're going to give her a heart-shaped mouth. Let's just give her a heart-shaped mouth, color that in. We're going to give her some hair. The hair is going to go from the top to the ear. Here's her hair. Top to the ear. Here's some more hair. Now let's give her top, a long triangle, circle at the bottom. We're going to do a diamond shape for her arms. So we're going to have her arm coming out, then going towards her head. Arm coming out towards her body, and then towards her head. Okay, let's do it on the opposite side. From her neck, arm coming out at an angle, and then coming towards her head. Arm coming out, then arm coming towards her head. Okay. We'll do her tutu, coming out from the side, coming out from the side. We're going to do a wavy line at the bottom. Wavy line. Let's do another one. Go down a little bit. Wavy. Come down. One more. Go down. Wavy. We're going to have one line coming down. So think of it coming down from her chin. Here we go. Let's draw another line here. Line at the bottom. Let's give her a triangle. She's on her tippy toes. Let's give her X. Another X. Line on top. Two little ribbons on the side. Now we're going to kind of make the number 4. So we're going to have a line coming out and then going into her tutu. We're going to have another line coming out and then going into her tutu. We're going to have line coming down and then a point going into her side. So this is going to be her foot. So let's color that in, point at the side. Give her those X, 1X, 2X, line at the top. Let's give her some earrings. So circle earrings, and they're out to the side because she is spinning. Going out to the side of her face. She's spinning again. Let's make her hair go out and up because she's spinning. So we're going up and making kind of a U from the side of her face, coming behind her arm and making that U. Coming out, making the U. She's spinning, so her hair is spinning too. Coming out from the other side, coming up, making that U shape from the ear behind her arm. U. One more time. U. Let's do one more here. U. U. Okay. And I'm going to give her a necklace. So let's do some circles coming out. It's spinning again, so her necklace is going to the side. And thank you for participating in our Rainbow Friends. Remember, this is a class that celebrates having friends of different colors. Okay? I'm so happy that in our class we have people of all colors. Thank you guys so much for celebrating with me.